In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new menu bar on your Google Chrome browser. Having this extra layer of organization can make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get it set up. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a three-dot menu icon resting there. This is your main gateway to customizing Chrome and accessing its various features. Go ahead and click that three-dot menu to get started. After you've clicked it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you want to hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks. This action will make a new submenu appear. In this submenu, look for the option called Show Bookmarks Bar. Click on it, and just like that, you'll see the Bookmarks bar appear right below the address bar. This bar acts as your new menu bar in Google Chrome. Now, the Bookmarks bar is there, but let's make it truly useful. You can start adding shortcuts to your favorite and most frequently visited sites right onto this bar for easy access. To do this, navigate to any website that you'd like to have in your Bookmarks bar. Once you're on the site, look to the right-hand side of the address bar and you'll see a star icon. This is your bookmark button. Click on the star icon and a dialog box will pop up, giving you options on where to save this bookmark. Make sure to select Bookmark Bar as the save location, then confirm by clicking a button that says either Done or Save, depending on your browser version. That's it. You've successfully added a shortcut to your Bookmarks bar, making your new menu bar even more tailored to your browsing needs. If at any point you decide you'd like to hide the Bookmarks bar again, don't worry, it's a simple process, like turning a light switch off. Just repeat the initial steps. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, hover over Bookmarks, and then click Show Bookmarks Bar again to uncheck it. This action will hide the Bookmarks bar from your view. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and customize a new menu bar on your Chrome browser. With these quick steps, you can improve your online navigation with your own personal touches. Happy browsing, and I hope this helps streamline your online experience.